After the crash of Codatta, we can see the project heading to the upside again. Well, this isn't why we are here. I am here to let those interested in Codatta know what could possibly affect the project in the future. We'll be discussing about this shortly, but before getting into the discussion, let's talk about the price analysis. At the moment, XNY is trading at about 1 cent with a market cap of $27 million and a 24-hour trading volume of over $30 million. The live price data shows a 42% increase in the last 24 hours, which is significant. The volume is up by 136%, so there's a lot more trading activity. The market cap has also increased by the same percentage as the price, which makes sense since it's directly related. According to what could potentially affect Codatta coin in the future, first, let me start by understanding what Codatta does. From the research, Codatta is a decentralized marketplace for data, connecting creators with users, and they use a royalty model. They're focused on AI and DeSci projects. That's a niche area, so adoption in these sectors could be a big factor. There are mentions of listings on exchanges like KuCoin and Bitmart, which can increase liquidity and visibility. However, there's also news about Binance removing some trading pairs but introducing perpetual contracts for XNY. The introduction of derivatives like perpetual contracts can lead to increased trading volume but also higher volatility. For instance, when Binance launched XNY/USDT perpetuals, the price dropped 20%, maybe due to leveraged shorting or profit-taking. There's also information about partnerships and integrations. For example, Codatta partnered with Hooked Protocol for Web3 education, which might drive user engagement. Another partnership with Authentic for decentralized infrastructure could enhance their platform's capabilities. These collaborations could positively impact adoption and, consequently, the price. Regulatory factors are mentioned in the U.S. Crypto Regulations 2025 guide. The Genius Act affects stablecoins, but since XNY isn't a stablecoin, maybe the Clarity Act's classification of tokens could impact it. If XNY is classified as a security, that could bring regulatory challenges, affecting its price negatively. Technical analysis shows the Fibonacci levels indicate potential support and resistance points. If the price breaks below key support levels, it might drop further. Social sentiment and market trends are also important. The Fear and Greed Index is neutral, and the Altcoin Season Index is rising, which could mean more capital flowing into altcoins like XNY. However, the recent 20% drop after Binance's contract launch shows sensitivity to exchange actions. Tokenomics. The total supply is 10 billion with 2.5 billion circulating. That's a 25% circulation, which isn't too bad, but future token unlocks or airdrops could increase selling pressure if holders decide to cash out. Looking at the ecosystem developments, Codatta's integration with BNB Greenfield for data storage and their focus on AI data could attract more users if the platform sees real adoption. However, if they fail to deliver on their roadmap or face technical issues, that could hurt the price. Market-wide factors. The total crypto market cap is around $3.87 trillion, with Bitcoin dominance at 57.62%. If Bitcoin's price moves significantly, it could drag XNY along. Also, the altcoin season index rising might help, but if the market turns bearish, even good projects can suffer. This is all I have to say about Codatta currently. Now, let's get into the full details of Codatta. Codatta is an AI-focused, open, and decentralized knowledge protocol. Its goal is to resolve data monopolies in centralized systems by creating a network that unites human contributions and AI agents. The project enables data producers and supporters, called knowledge backers, to continuously earn royalties from AI innovations powered by their datasets. Thus, knowledge becomes a permanent digital asset controlled by its creator. Codatta addresses issues like data silos, lack of integrity, and inefficiency caused by centralized systems. The project collects and organizes data from various sources, improving quality and reliability through both human and AI mechanisms. Embracing a multi-chain future and full interoperability, it guides AGI, artificial general intelligence, development. For this purpose, it has integrated the extensive BNB chain ecosystem, L1 and OpBNB, into the AGI network. Using a hybrid architecture, Codatta stores encrypted data off-chain to protect privacy, while proofs ensuring data accuracy and integrity are kept on-chain. Access permissions are managed via smart contracts, combining security and scalability. Data confidence. combines AI, human intelligence, and economic systems for high data quality. Extensibility. Flexible infrastructure supports new data types and blockchain ecosystems with multi-chain interoperability. Public accessibility. A permissionless, decentralized protocol eliminating centralized data monopolies, allowing free access for developers, individuals, and other protocols. Roadmap. 2023. Community-focused data pipeline launched, creating initial datasets with 560 million annotations and 35 supported networks. 2024. Scaling knowledge, aiming for over 300,000 active contributors and 5+ million total submissions. 2025. Protocol decentralization planned, enabling verifiable and combinable data on Ethereum, Avalanche, and BNB chain. 2026 and beyond. Transition to data assetization and royalty-based payments, allowing contributors to earn continuous income from AI applications supported by their data. XNY is Codatta's native token, capped at 10 billion total supply, distributed as follows. Community, 48%, node incentives, airdrops, IDO participation, foundation, 21.5%, liquidity, listings, protocol development, team, 18%, investors, 12.5%. XNY incentivizes quality contributions. Data providers earn XNY rewards for approved contributions. AI and DeSci projects use XNY to access necessary data assets.